In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Obsidian display margins. We'll create a tiny CSS snippet and enable it inside Obsidian so you can fine-tune how wide your notes appear, whether you want a cozy narrow column or generous edge padding. Start by drafting your CSS in a note. This is just a convenient place to write and tweak it before turning it into a snippet. There are two common ways to control margins. One is to set Obsidian's content width variable, for example, root file line width 800px. That narrows the overall line width in both reading and editing. The other is to add left and right padding to the editor and reading views, like Markdown source view, Markdown reading view, padding left 32px, padding right 32px. Pick the approach you prefer and adjust the values to taste. Now head into Obsidian and open the vault you want to customize. Click the gear icon at the bottom left to open settings. In the sidebar, choose Appearance. Scroll down until you find the section labeled CSS Snippets. This is where Obsidian looks for custom styles you add yourself. Click the little folder icon in that section. Obsidian will open the snippets directory on your computer. This is the only place Obsidian reads snippet files from, so anything you want to use needs to live here. Go back to the note where you wrote your CSS, copy it, and save it as a new file with a .cs extension, such as margins.cs. Make sure it's not saved as a text file. The extension must be .css. Then place that file in the snippets folder Obsidian just opened. Return to Obsidian and click the Reload Snippets button so your new file appears in the list. You should now see your CSS file by name. Toggle it on. The change should apply immediately to your current view. If you don't see a difference, try switching between editing and reading mode, or adjust your values and click Reload again. A few quick tips to get reliable results. Different themes can override margins, so if your changes don't stick, try slightly higher CSS specificity, or prefer the built-in variable approach with root and/or file line width. Use clear descriptive file names so you recognize your snippets later. Keep your margin values reasonable. Extreme settings can make long lines harder to read. And remember, you can turn the snippet off at any time with the same toggle to instantly revert. That's it. You've written your CSS, pointed Obsidian to it, reloaded, and toggled it on to control your display margins with precision.